ഞങ്ങൾ GGUP സ്കൂളിലെ വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളാണ്. ഈ പ്രൊജക്റ്റിലൂടെ ഫറോക്കിലെ വീടുകളിലെ അടുക്കളത്തോട്ടങ്ങളെക്കുറിച്ച് ഞങ്ങൾ പഠിച്ചു. ഈ തോട്ടം വഴി കുടുംബങ്ങൾക്ക് സ്വന്തമായി പച്ചക്കറികൾ വളർത്താനും കൂടുതൽ സ്വാശ്രയത്വം നേടാനും സാധിക്കുന്നു. അടുക്കളത്തോട്ടങ്ങളെ പറ്റിയുള്ള പഠനത്തിലൂടെ ആളുകൾ പിന്തുടരുന്ന കൃഷിരീതികളെക്കുറിച്ച് ഞങ്ങൾ മനസ്സിലാക്കി.
What if food security didn't start in a policy file, or a warehouse, or a government scheme? What if it started here, in a 10-foot patch of soil behind someone's home?
In Kerala, this isn't new. Long before food security was a term in textbook, families here were already living it through the Nattu Veedu Thotam, the home garden, passed on from grandmother to mother to daughter. It's a quiet tradition of self-reliance. One backyard, one courtyard, one balcony at a time.
This is Farokh, a small riverside area in Kerala, where tiled roofs sit shoulder to shoulder with green, growing spaces. It's here that our story and our study begins.
It began with a teacher, one opportunity. A 21-day winter school with DST, IGET at BVIEER, Pune. What came back to Farokh wasn't just a certificate. It was a question. Could the gardens in our own neighborhood hold answers to something much bigger?
That question became our project. We, the students, went from garden to garden. We documented what was growing, measured the plots, and most importantly, we listened. We spoke to the people who tended these gardens every single day. And every garden, we realized, told a story of resilience, of memory, of quiet self-sufficiency passed through generations.
As we mapped species diversity, a pattern emerged. These gardens aren't just growing, they are growing with intention. Even in the smallest plots, we found multiple crops layered together. Leafy greens, tubers, fruit trees, spices, all coexisting in just a few square meters.
This momentum isn't happening in isolation. Kerala's Subiksha Keralam program, providing seeds and saplings to households, has added real fuel to a tradition that never really stopped burning.
And the results show it. Where support reaches household, the garden doesn't just survive, it thrives. Then came a finding that changed how we looked at everything. Garden size. People here have space to grow, but more importantly, even the smallest gardens showed the same range of diversity as the larger ones.
Size isn't the limit. Intention is, and that's exactly the lesson worth building on.
What we found in Farokh's backyard is connected to something much larger. Long-term food security and global goals like SDG 2, Zero Hunger, and SDG 12, Responsible Consumption and Production. Because sustainability doesn't always begin with grand infrastructure. Sometimes it begins with a single seed in a single home.